Hi friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. Today we are going to see how to install two browsers, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge in Ubuntu operating system. As you know, Ubuntu comes only with the Firefox, so many of us are not comfortable with Firefox. So let us install Chrome and Edge browser for Ubuntu operating system. So first you can go to chrome.google.com and there you can download the Chrome browser for Ubuntu 64-bit DEP, so as indicated in the video. So once it is downloaded, open a terminal. You can double click the file also, but sometimes if any packages is needed, you may not know which package is needed, so you have to open a terminal, go to the downloads folder like this and see that this file got downloaded. DEB means Debian, so the package is sudo dpkg space double hyphen install and give the complete file name. So once it is done, it will ask for the password since we given a sudo command. So give the password of it and it just unpack and the installation is complete. Just within a short duration of time, the installation gets completed. Once it is done, just open the Google Chrome by simply pressing the window key and then go and type CHROME, it gets opened. If you want to sign in, you can sign in and then make use of it. So as simple as that, we can install Chrome browser on Ubuntu operating system. Now here are the steps. I will be giving the steps below the description window. You can able to use those things. Now let us see how to install Edge browser for Ubuntu. So Edge is a browser by Microsoft and how that can be installed. So I'll just give the URL below where you can download the Edge browser. You can use the URL and you can download the software like this. It will give download Edge and then you just download the software. So once it is downloaded, so similar like the previous case, it will be stored in the download folder. So go to the download folder here. Already we have seen the file is downloaded. The same command sudo dpkg the space double hyphen install and name of the browser. So once you type it and again if you are trying for the first time, it will ask for the password. For the second time, it may not ask you. So this will also be installed immediately within no time. Now we can check how the Edge browser is got installed. So simply type Edge by pressing the window key and then that's it. So both Chrome and the Edge browser you can able to use it easily in Ubuntu operating systems. So here is the Edge browser. So thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.